In the sacred precincts of Prasanthi Nilayam, Puttaparthi, where selfless service and spirituality have long gone hand in hand, a moment of historic significance unfolded on 16 October 2025. The Sri Sathya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences performed the world's first fully free robotic cardiac surgery, marking a milestone that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with divine compassion. The pioneering procedure, a robotic-assisted closure of an atrial septal defect (ASD), was performed completely free of cost. It symbolized not only a breakthrough in surgical innovation but also the timeless spirit of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba's message, "Love all, serve all." Speaking on this occasion, R.J. Ratnakar, Managing Trustee of the Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust, expressed profound gratitude and pride. What greater service can there be than to place at his feet an instrument that will heal countless lives, especially those who cannot afford even a fraction of its cost? He said. He extended heartfelt thanks to Dr. Sudhir Srivastav, founder, chairman, and CEO of SS Innovations, and two visiting international experts from Russia and Delhi who collaborated with the hospital's own cardiac team. Ratnakar emphasized that this milestone reaffirms Bhagwan Baba's vision that his mission knows no border. When the institute was inaugurated on 22 November 1991, Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba declared that it would be a temple of healing, where the richest and the poorest alike would receive the same loving care, completely free of cost. The hospital's very first surgery was performed under his divine guidance. Now, over 3 decades later, it continues that sacred journey by embracing the frontiers of medical innovation, where service and science unite for humanity's sake. The groundbreaking operation used the SSI Mantra robotic surgical system, a state-of-the-art make-in-India innovation developed by SS Innovations under Dr. Srivastav's visionary leadership. Valued at nearly 8 crore rupees, the SSI Mantra system offers 3D high-definition vision, unmatched precision, and modular design, yet comes at a fraction of the cost of international robotic systems. It is also the first Indian-made robotic platform approved for telesurgery, representing a powerful blend of affordability, accessibility, and advanced technology. Dr. Srivastav, a distinguished cardiac surgeon and long-time devotee of Bhagwan Baba, performed the first case himself. With deep emotion, he shared, "I used to tell Swami that I want to come back to Puttaparthi. And Swami would say, I'll call you when I need you. Today, I know, this is that call." The SSI Mantra system is designed to transcend geography. With telesurgery and tele-mentoring capabilities, expert surgeons from anywhere in the world can operate or guide procedures in real time. "Distance doesn't matter anymore," said Dr. Anil Kumar, Joint Director, SSIIMS. With this technology, experts from across the world can reach patients here in Puttaparthi, or we can reach patients anywhere else. Already proven in over 65 telesurgeries globally, including a 10,000 kilometers operation between France and Indore. The platform heralds a new era of global cooperation in surgical excellence. This historic step will pave the way for robotic procedures in other specialties such as urology, gynecology, and neurosurgery, strengthening SSIIMS's mission of providing the highest standard of healthcare without financial burden. Robotic surgery means faster recovery, minimal trauma, and shorter hospital stays, Dr. Srivastav explained. Its efficiency in service, exactly what Swami always encouraged. As the robotic arms moved with immaculate precision, guided by expert hands and divine purpose, a deeper truth came alive, that science finds its highest expression when used selflessly in the service of humanity. From the first open-heart surgery in 1991 to the first free robotic cardiac operation in 2025. The Sri Satya Sai Institute of Higher Medical Sciences, Puttaparthi, continues to shine as a beacon of compassionate innovation. Here, in this unique temple of healing, compassion remains the only currency, and excellence the only standard, proving once again that when technology is guided by love, every heartbeat becomes a hymn of service.